Green energy getting the red light from Augusta city leaders. A commission committee rejecting plans for a biofuels plant off Dixon Airline Road. But some commissioners say they want more information before they make a final decision. George Escala has more.
A commission committee saying no to a plant that would make renewable natural gas out of household waste, a move some find surprising.
If you look back 2 or 3 years ago, Augusta adopted green energy initiatives, and for us to not support this type of plant that's coming.
The big issue for the plant is location. The site is near the historic Spirit Creek Baptist Church.
They're still adamantly opposed to it for lack of information. So at this juncture, I'm not ready to support it.
The lawyer for the plant telling city leaders that the technology is in place at sites in California and another state.
They have them in California, St. Louis Obispo, right next to the airport there. So it's not like it's a nuisance, it's an advantage to the environment. And we'd like to do that here in Augusta.
This has some city leaders suggesting researching how the plants operate in these other communities before making a final decision.
To see if there is, actually any negative impacts to the environment as well. We've heard a lot of what ifs, but I think that's why we need to go take a look at these other communities where similar plants are running.
With the site the major concern, this has some suggesting the plant could be acceptable at a different location.
They have a much better shot somewhere else, but they certainly cannot use, if they build to California standards in Georgia, then we're probably good.
But for some commissioners, a renewable natural gas plant is not good, at least at the proposed site. In Augusta, George Escala, WJBF News Channel 6.